noun starts with a vowel.
Vowel sound.
Vowel sound.
Yes, if the noun starts with a vowel sound, correct. Okay, some examples are
An actor, an airport, an elephant, an orange.
great job. Okay, so what basically is common nouns and proper nouns? Common nouns are general ideas. Okay, when we say general ideas, that means big ideas. So common nouns, these are general nouns. While the proper nouns are specific. You can, by the way, you can take down notes if you like. Are you taking down notes?
Notes?
Yes, you can. I mean, if you want to write on the notebook, you can write.
Yes.
Are you writing?
No.
Okay. But if you like, you can.
Yes.
You may. So common nouns are general nouns. So like for example, a person. Let's say, I know an actor. Let's use the word actor. I know an actor. Okay,
Yeah.
then what is the name of the actor? His name is Ryan. Do you get that? Okay, do you get that? So that means, for example, another example. Can you give me example of a fruit?
Fruit. Orange.
Orange. Okay, now in this example, Helen, fruit is the common noun and orange is a proper noun. Do you understand that? Do you get that?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So that's the examples of common and proper nouns. Now let's dig deeper. So what are some examples of proper nouns? When it comes to a person, you can mention a name. Example like, can you read? Ryan.
Lion. China. Jumbo. London Bridge.
Okay, now let's play a game. Okay. Now you will give me a proper noun. I will give you a common noun. Okay?
Okay.
Let's start with a person first. Let's say a parent. What is the proper noun of parent?
Mom.
Correct. How about classmate?
Friend.
Classmate.
Friend.
Mention a name.